Hello students, good evening. Today we are going to have a revision on the chapter 5 of geography, that is natural vegetation and wildlife. So you have already learned this lesson and you might have written the test even. So let's have a brief revision on this topic. Okay, so what is called as the natural vegetation? Natural vegetation. Natural vegetation commonly means the plant community, right? Plant community. Okay. Then what is virgin vegetation? Virgin vegetation. Virgin vegetation means what? What is virgin vegetation? The plant that grows naturally without any human aid or human maintenance, that is said to be called as virgin vegetation. Grows naturally without human aid. Okay, now. Okay, the next thing is, what are the two types of living beings in our earth? Mainly, first one is flora and the next one is fauna, right? What is flora? Flora means it is the growth of plants in a particular area or a particular period, okay? Growth of plants are commonly we can even say plants living in particular area / period. Okay. And what is meant by fauna? Fauna commonly refers to the species of animals. Okay, ma'am. Species of animals. Okay. These two are the main things. So now what we are going to see is the main factors that affect and also that help the flora and fauna in the growth of flora and fauna in our area. Okay. The two factors are, first one is what? First one is the land and soil. Land and soil. Okay. And the second one is what? Second one is the temperature or climate. Okay. You can also say it as the schema. Okay. So here land. Land, what is the two words land and soil that denotes the same thing, right? But when we say it is a land, it should be what? Fertile, right? Fertility of land. What? Fertility of the land decides the plant's growth. Okay. And the soil in sense, this soil is of two types, right? Mainly sandy soil. Okay, ma'am. Sandy soil used for agriculture, and the second one is soil of mountain or hill slopes. Okay, so the main what? The main sandy soil, na? That sandy soil is, in that sandy soil normally what will be growing? The cactus, okay? Cactus and creepers. And the varieties of other plants that will be going there, and one main thing, in the soil of mountain, what will be growing? Mainly the conical trees. Okay, ma? Conical trees. Okay. In the climate, two important things we are discussing is, first one is what? Temperature. Temperature. And the second one is what? It is the photo period. Okay. Photo period. Okay, ma'am. What is this temperature, ma'am? Temperature means the humid what? Climate. Normally temperature means we can be measured in Fahrenheit and Celsius, right? So a temperature is very important in the natural vegetation, ma'am. So how it is important means the extent of vegetation is determined by the temperature. The extent of vegetation is determined by it. In the same way, if the temperature mainly affects what? Affects the vegetation directly or indirectly. And main thing is what means, if it also what? It decides the growth and also the growth rate, and also the whether it should be high or low, whatever it is, it will be according to the temperature. If the temperature is high means it automatically what? It affect the vegetation and its growth. That's what the thing. And the next one is photo period. Photo period means it is nothing but variation in the duration of sunlight. Variation in the duration of sunlight. Okay, ma. Normally, you all know na, the sun rays falls on all over the area according to its altitude, latitude, right? And different timings in different areas, and in some according to the rotation of the earth, right? So here this photo period also can be divided as, if the sun rays is falling highly on one particular area, that particular area's climate is said to be differentiated as summer, and if it is little bit if it is not there means it will be the winter season. In the same way, spring and autumn, right? So this photo period decides the temperature, and that temperature what? Decides the growth of plants. Okay, ma'am, that's all. And now the main thing what we are going to see is types of natural vegetation. These types of natural vegetation can be seen in different types of what? Forest. Okay, ma'am. So first one is tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forest. And whenever knowing about this tropical evergreen forest, nama, we have to keep one thing in mind. In how much rainfall the trees in this forest will be growing, and how much how many meters of height the trees of this forest is going, and in which area it is located. This forest will be there, and finally what are the animals and trees growing there. Okay, ma'am. So first thing is this tropical evergreen forest. What? It is located located in what, ma'am? Eastern Western Ghats. Eastern and Western Ghats. In the areas including Tamil Nadu. So this is the first thing. So the second point is what? The rainfall amount, right? So here the rainfall amount would be what? Rainfall is between 200 is about 200 centimeter. Okay, ma'am. And the next one, the main thing is the trees grow or trees heights up to 60 meters and above. Okay, ma'am. And the next one is what? What are the different types of trees grown here? Mainly what? Shrubs and creepers. Okay, ma'am. Mainly shrubs and creepers will be growing, and the trees like ebony, mahogany, etc. And all those trees will be growing, and it's a type of what? Shrubs and creepers. Okay, ma'am. So the next one, what we are going to see today is tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forest. So okay, in this tropical deciduous forest, there are two different types, ma'am. One is moist deciduous forest, and next one is dry deciduous forest. Okay, so can you guess how much rain this tropical deciduous forest will be receiving? It is what? It is getting the rainfall between 200 and 70 centimeter. So as I said here, it's very easy for you to think how much it will be getting in the moist deciduous forest and also in the dry deciduous forest. Yes, it is in this moist deciduous forest, it will be getting around 200 centimeter and 100 centimeter rainfall now. But in dry deciduous forest, it is around 170 centimeter of rain. Okay, ma'am. So in this moist deciduous forest, what are the plants will be going there? Bamboo, sal, sea sal, and other than that, sandalwood, kale, and mainly mulberry. Like all those commercial species will be growing in this what? Moist deciduous forest, ma'am. But in dry deciduous forest, what are the things will be growing? It is like teak, sal, people, and this neem will be growing here in this dry deciduous forest. Okay. And other than this, there are three other types of what forest is there. That is, next one is tropical thorn and also tropical thorn forest and shrubs. And next one is what? Mountain forest and finally mangrove forest. Those three forest types we can see in the next class. And I just want you to what? Learn well all those topics, and whatever book by questions you are having in that area, that you have to prepare, and other than that you have to prepare what? 10 2-mark questions from these topics that we have discussed today. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.